Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. In today's video, we'll see how we can use try catch for exception handling in the context of UiPath. So let's start and understand it with a simple example. I have opened a simple project here. Okay, so let me create a new workflow for it. I'm using a sequence and let's name it as notepad, right notepad, right node. Okay, our sequences and workflow should be meaningful. The name should be meaningful. So let's try to create an activity here. Let's take right. Let's take a type into. Okay, I'm just dragging here. Okay, and we want to type something on Notepad. So let me open Notepad as well. Here is the Notepad. Okay, so let me first indicate my application, that is Notepad. Okay, and then let's try to type something. Let's say hello. Okay, let me also change the properties of it. uh, so let me change the timeout. Let's make it 3 seconds, and then for this one I don't want to open it automatically when it is closed, so I will set it as never. Okay, these are some options, like always will always open it if it is closed, and if it is not open, this option will open it, and never will never open it if it is not already opened. So I don't want to open it if it is not opened. Okay, that's all. So let's run it first and see if it is able to write on Notepad. Okay, it is, sorry, I ran the other workflow. We have to run the right note. Okay, so it is typing on our Notepad. Now when we work on real-time projects, we see that many times we get errors. It might be because of many reasons, like sometimes some application not found, selector not found. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to use a try catch to handle those errors. Now to show you example, I'm just closing this notepad right now, so it will not be able to find it. Okay, and let me also close it. Okay, now if the user runs it, uh, so it will not be able to find the notepad, so it will throw an error. Sorry, run file. It is trying to execute. Okay, we have to mention the timeout for it. That is 3 seconds. It is waiting too long. It is waiting for 30 seconds. That is our default timeout. And let me also open Chrome. We'll be using it for our another example. So I have set timeout as 3. I'm running it again. So you see, as it is not able to see the notepad, it is throwing error. Now we don't want to show such type of errors to user. To make the user experience good, we always show them some notification, some we can send them some email to notify them, but we never want to show them such boxes. You can imagine that if you're using Instagram, Facebook, and you want to do something and you are getting such boxes, which is not a good user experience. So that's why what we have to do is we have to use the try catch. We have to keep these activities in try, and we have to handle them in the catch. Okay, so let me just take a try catch from here. We'll write try, just drag and drop it here. Okay, and let me just put this whole activity here inside it. Now when the error come on try, then it will come to catch. Okay, this is the catch section. Here you have to define an exception. So based on your requirement, you can choose any. For example, if you think that you will get a null exception, a null reference exception, so you can choose this. If you think you will get some other, then you can choose some other exception. Okay, generally what we do is we use system.exception. So I'm going to use it right now for us. Let me just delete this one. This is the common one which you use, so it can catch all kind of exceptions. And here we can keep a log. Always remember, all as a standard practice, always keep a log in your catch block. So let's set it to error and say not able to write. Okay, so when exception will come, it will come here, and it will not show you such what you say, such boxes and messages. So let's see how it works now. Run file. So you'll see this time will not get such box, will get a good message since I have set as error, so it is coming as error. Okay, so this way we can handle our errors. We can put the activities in try. It could be a whole sequence where you are doing multiple things, and wherever an error comes in any of the activity, it will come to here catch, and you can handle it, right? Here you can do some step like, so you can notify user, you can log the message, you can send an email to user. So all those things you can do. And also you can one more good practice is always mention the source and exception message. So here I can add plus, I can select source, and then I can mention plus exception dot source. Okay, and similarly I can say here error message, and we can add concatenate the error message through exception dot message. Right, let me run it again. Right, so we got not able to write sources the activity, an error message, no open windows found for notepad.txt. Okay, so this is how we can use try catches in our activities. This is a basic video. In the next video we will dive deeper, and we'll see in the our real-time projects, when we work on client projects, how we do exception handling, how we use try catches, how we use throw and rethrow, and we'll also talk about this final activity. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe, share, and like the video. Thank you so much.